This incredible Brentwood 2 front swing floor plan from Gallery Custom Homes is in the Woodbridge Estates community located in Wiley, Texas. It's a 5-bedroom, 3.5 bath, 2-car garage floor plan that offers 4,275 square feet of luxury to suit your family's needs. This eye-catching 2-story home plan features brick and stone masonry and an extended covered front porch that offers remarkable curb appeal. As you pass through the beautiful custom double-door entry to the foyer, you'll find an elegant formal living and dining room with tray ceiling, double crown molding, and large windows. It's a perfect space for entertaining family and friends. Across the foyer is the private study with crown molding, custom shelving, large closet, and a large window with window seating, perfect for a home office. And around the corner is the full powder bath with shower and custom tile. The California kitchen showcases a massive center island with marble quartz countertops, 42-inch shaker-style cabinets with an upgraded upper 12-inch cabinet with unique in-lighting and glass front doors, built-in stainless steel double oven, a built-in microwave, a 5-burner gas cooktop with decorative backsplash, a spacious butler's pantry, and a walk-in pantry with glass front door. The adjacent breakfast nook with window seating is bathed in natural light and flows seamlessly into the family room, where you'll find a beautiful spiral staircase with balcony, marvelous high ceilings, large windows, pre-wiring for surround sound, and a beautiful custom tile fireplace with a custom mantle. The private master suite features a tray ceiling, double crown molding, and a quiet reading corner bathed in natural light. Escape to the luxurious master bath with spa-quality features, including split vanities with a makeup area, an oversized walk-in shower with seamless glass enclosure, seating, and 3 shower heads, a relaxing freestanding garden tub, and a large master closet. Upstairs, you'll find a game room with plenty of space for the kids to do their own thing, and it flows into the media room with a vaulted ceiling, a wet bar with cabinet and shelving space, a large closet, and surround sound and projector wiring, making it perfect for family movie night. 4 additional secondary bedrooms with vaulted ceilings, a large closet, a Jack and Jill bath, and another full bath complete the second floor. The Brentwood 2 floor plan also includes an extended covered patio with outdoor speaker wiring and a huge backyard with plenty of room for entertaining family and friends. This magnificent Brentwood 2 front swing floor plan is now available in the community of Woodbridge Estates in Wiley, Texas. Call or visit Gallery Custom Homes to find out more about building the Brentwood 2 front swing floor plan or purchasing one of our move-in ready homes. When you finance your new First Texas, Gallery Custom, or Harwood home with the American Dream Team of Supreme Lending, you'll receive a $3,000 gift card to Nebraska Furniture Mart, compliments of First Texas Homes. Make sure to ask us about our Supreme Rate Guarantee. We are so confident in our low rates, if we cannot beat another lender's rate, we'll pay you $5,000.